Baik, tuan-tuan dan puan sekalian, insyaAllah kita akan bermula sebentar lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Syukur kepada Allah SWT dapat kita bertemu lagi pada petang ini. Seperti yang kita sedia maklum, petang ini merupakan sesi perkongsian teknologi kita yang pertama bersama dengan HUAWEI Technologies Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Dan sehingga jam 3.35 petang saya kira, saya serahkan majlis ini kepada HUAWEI Technologies Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Silakan.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Derek from HUAWEI. So it's honors to present here for HUAWEI the Smart Campus solution. Okay, so in my part, I will briefly introduce our solution, including what is the Smart Campus and the Smart Campus in the university. How is this? And then I also will share some of the cases. Okay. So at the beginning, as you know, we always talk about the smart city and the carbon emissions and also the digital transformation. But actually, in the campus here, the campus is not only for the university. Here, I think that the campus is all for all the park, office, building, and the commercial complex. All this we call the campus. So in the campus, see here, for the city, apart from road, all this the campus. Yeah, all the campus. And also for the carbon emissions, the campus accounts for more than around 40%. So it's very important if we want to reduce carbon issue, we should reduce the energy consumption in the campus. And also for the vertical digital transformation, when we talk about the digital transformation, okay, the campus is also important part because the campus involving the energy consumption, facility management, and the security management. And also there's some application about the administration and for education, also involving the teaching facility and our environment. So how these things become the transformation. For example, in Singapore, NUS, the National University of Singapore, they also have the smart campus vision. Their key vision is the smart, secure, and sustainable. So here's their vision for their smart campus. Yeah. So that's why here we talk about the requirement of about the smart campus, and then let's look at the smart campus. How is the development? Okay. Here's their three stages. As we know here, the traditional ones. The campus, there's a lot of silo system in the traditional campus. For example, the security system, CCTV system, and the building automation system, and also the access control system, and energies, and air conditioning, all this system is siloed. Between them is siloed. There's no unified data, so it's very difficult for us to do the innovation because without the unified data pool, data lake, and also there's no integration platform to linkage between the different systems. For example, CCTV is siloed, cannot linkage with the other system. So that means for traditional campus, it's very difficult to do the innovation, to do the digital transformation. And then that's why HUAWEI, we proposed the smart campus concept. In this concept, we have proposed the 4-layer architecture for the smart campus. There's the application layer, digital platform layer, and the connection layer, and the terminal layer. The important thing is the digital platform layer. This platform can integrate all the different silo systems. So it can converge all the data, silo data, into one data lake, data pool. And then based on the data pool, they can open the API to the upper layer application, so can support all kinds of application to do the continuous innovation. At the same time, the unified connectivity can connect all the terminals. You use one network to connect mobile, laptop, CCTV, building automation. So that's why through the unified network can converge all the data into the database, into the digital platform. And then in the future campus, maybe we talk about 2030, future campus, there will be more function like AI, like the zero carbon, all these things. So here's the basic concept about the smart campus. Maybe this idea is too, how to abstract. So here I give you one the video to show you how is the smart campus. Okay.
Life, a key to economic development, and is the foundation for building a fully connected, intelligent world. HUAWEI uses new ICT, such as 5G, AI, IoT, big data, and cloud computing. Based on the strategy, a platform plus ecosystem uses the HUAWEI Horizon Digital Platform and teams up with ecosystem partners to build scenario-based solutions, facilitating customers' digital transformation.
So the solution, the video is played on the HUAWEI our own campus
status,
real case.
Controlling events and
This
managing services.
has been
Unified
implemented.
data classification and analysis, enabling GIS-based management. Displaying the real-time status of people, events, and objects on campus. Facilitating cross-department, cross-region, and cross-system coordination. Controlling the global situation for unified resource dispatch. Providing management plans through converged data analysis from passive response to proactive management. Supporting all-round control of the operational situation. Integrated security, changing the traditional mode of security operation, improving security protection efficiency, and ensuring security on campus. Precise identification of personnel and vehicles, blacklist alarms activated within seconds. Based on the automatic switching of patrol videos, one person can effectively manage multiple patrol sites. Video-based patrol and video linkage save police force by 40%. AI-based recognition of human figures, achieving precise intrusion detection. Compared with traditional detection methods, the false alarm rate is reduced by 90%. One-click command and scheduling through flexible plan development. Multi-system linkage significantly reduces the response time, achieves more effective emergency handling. Intelligent access control. Facial recognition gates replace guard posts for access within seconds. Unified access control service and simplified system deployment ensures 24/7 campus security. Facial recognition, turnstile, mobile, computer, and company bus clock in. Card swiping is no longer necessary. Intelligent attendance is realized. Full process self-service, providing a zero-wait visitor experience. Visitors can enter personal information and vehicle information online. The visitor route will be automatically generated. Vehicle information identification will enable instant access. Asset management, using IoT technologies to enable one-click asset stock taking. Real-time asset status awareness ensures asset security, activates idle assets, and reduce repeat purchases, increasing asset usage rate. Energy efficiency management, multi-system linkage, and big data-driven, supporting secure operation of energy systems, precise prediction and power demand management, implementing accurate power usage and lowering power consumption by 10%. Facility management, performing proactive monitoring and warning for building facilities and devices, improving facility utilization rate and service life. If exceptions occur, the IOC generates an automatic alarm, visualized device position, and a service ticket is dispatched to the nearest personnel, improving operation efficiency. Environmental space management, managing and controlling both campus resources and its spatial use, improving the utilization rate of physical space, promoting the sharing and value-adding of environmental resources through the Service app. Campus services and resources are visualized, providing services anytime and anywhere. Efficient office. Intelligent conference rooms integrate office functions such as video conferencing, remote collaboration, interactive whiteboard use, and wireless projection. Optimizing physical space through simplification. Constructing a digital office for more efficient communication and collaboration. WeLink, one-stop collaboration platform, converging messages, emails, conferences, and videos, enabling internal and external collaboration, interconnecting personnel, knowledge, services, and devices, single-role operation, team collaboration, and cross-region cooperation, improving overall office efficiency by 30%. HUAWEI Intelligent Campus Solution, helping customers achieve overall intelligence in their campuses, enabling agile innovation of service applications, improving overall campus operations efficiency, simplifying user experience. Ubiquitous connections, pervasive intelligence, bringing infinite possibilities to campus service innovation. Bringing digital to every campus for pervasive intelligence.
Okay, through the video, you already checked how is the smart campus will run. And actually through the case, actually here's the real case in HUAWEI ourselves. Through the solution, okay, we actually can reduce a lot of the manpower for the administration, reduce around 30%, and also improve our efficiency around 30%, and save the power consumption around 10%. And also, the solution can extend the life cycle of the facility, so more than around 25%. So this have the real, how to say, the ROI for our user or for our itself. So based on that, so let's look at how the solution to use for the university. Okay, here is the total solution architecture. Maybe this is not very clear. Sorry. You can see here the architecture they're involving the four layers. Actually, for the university, according to our experience, because we already have a lot of cases in China, in other countries like Singapore. So most of the customers, they are thinking about what the key requirement is, how to improve, use new technology to improve their school brand, improve their ranking, school ranking. So yeah, this the top level requirement from the presidents. And then is how to improve their teaching facility, like improve the teaching experience, the education experience. And then it's about the campus environment, special in for the security, because there's a lot of students, and the university is open university. So there's a lot of accidents or something happen issues. So the university should guarantee the safety of the whole student and the teachers in the campus. So it's important. So based on that requirement, we propose the architecture for the applications layer. There's the one IOC. In the video, you can see there's the one dashboard to manage all the things. You can see everything. And then is the common application for the campus operation, including the security, access control, and the facility management, energy consumption management, and the environment, and also the asset management. But that we also provide some the application for the teaching facility, like the smart classroom, and also online learning software, and also AI training, the facility. Also in some school, they also like some all-in-one smart card for their students. And so there's a lot of application can be added into our solution. And then there's the one platform. This platform then can be to support all kinds of application. That's including the three key components. One is how to integrate the silo system. Another thing is to create the unified data pool. And then we also integrate a lot of the ICT PaaS capability, like IoT, big data, video, AI, these things. And then is the one network, unified network, and to connect all the silo system. So yeah, this is the architecture. So based on that, I show some of the key application. One is the IOC. From the video, you can see the IOC is based on can do the 3D the modeling for the campus, or even for the each of the building, each floor, or each the key components, like for example the CCTV, for example for the air condition, chillers, all the things we can do the 3D modeling and realize the digital twin management. And then through this the unified the dashboard, you can show all kinds of the KPI of the campus operation on the, for example, security facility and teaching, all kinds of the KPI. You can do the data analysis, output all kinds of the data chart and these things. So it's very easy for you to report to the high level government, and also for you to do the scientific digital the decision making. Yeah. And then here's for the security. Okay, here is we major use AI to improve our security capability. Use AI. Not traditional. We need the security staff to monitor the screen 24/7. But now we use AI. This can detect the alarm automatically and can help us to respond more proactively. So we can provide a lot of the AI function with our partner, even based on the large model to support do the training very quickly, the AI training very quickly. So can support a lot of long-term algorithm. And then is the attendance and access control. Okay, for our own staff students, also for the visitor, how to manage their access and to improve their access experience. And also for some restricted area, we can use the permission control to construct their area. So it's the smart access control. And also here, I want to introduce one is the smart classroom. Because for the universities, classroom is very important. It's as how to say, is the production system for our university. So here the smart classroom can cover the online and offline and the convergence and the teaching, and also can support automatic recording, and also can support the group-based collaboration learning. Here I have some the data together. So we also provide some the low coding tools, help the user to integrate them quickly. At the same time, we also have one very lightweight the data platform. It starts from the one server node. It's very light compared to traditional big data platform. So the tools can do the data connection, data service, and data application. Is the one-stop data big data tools can help our user to create the database in the campus very quickly. Of course, our platform also integrates all the key components like AI, GIS, big data. This key path function inside is ready. So it's out-of-box platform, and it's very easy. And also we support open ecosystem. So this HUAWEI not provide everything. So we work with our partner, HUAWEI partner, to do the total solution. HUAWEI respond for the solution design. We work involving all kinds of the partner, including the IOC application partner, the path partner, and the terminal partner. We create the one total solution, and with the local ISI to deliver the solution to our customer. Yeah. Based on this, the application and platform, there's another important thing is about the network. For the network side, because there's more and more application coming, so we need a higher bandwidth. According to our analysis, the 10 GB to the access is the requirement in the future. So that's why HUAWEI proposed IP plus the POL, that is the PON technology, to do the networking. Okay, because the IP is good as for the routing and the service function, we put as in the core layer. But for the fiber layer, okay, we prefer use the PON, GPON, or 10 GPON, or 50 GPON technology, because the fiber, compared to the Cat5, Cat6 cable, can provide a higher capacity and a longer distance. So that's why we use the PON technology as an access. So based on the technology, we can save a lot of the space, because traditional in the building, each building, we need a ELV room. In that ELV room, need a lot of the space to host the switch. Right now, we just need the splitter to replace all those access switch, aggregation switch, can save a lot of cost. At the same time, so this architecture is very simple. It's two-layer architecture. So the cabling is very simple. So we call the one room for one fiber. So here I also have show you some the demo to how to use this to the university. For example, the classroom. Yeah. Just need one cable for the one classroom. Then in the classroom, we use the traditional one to connect to the Wi-Fi, the whiteboard, and the other terminals. Yeah, so it's very easy for you to do the cabling. And at the same time, the fiber can provide more than 10 G or 50 G to the room. So in one classroom, you can get a lot of capacity. So you can do a lot of, for example, the AI training. This is the high speed, the internet classroom. That's no problem. And then, for example, the dormitory. Also it's also very easy. You just need one fiber to connect on the things. Yeah, and the one Wi-Fi can cover whole the dormitory room. Yeah, it's very simple. And then you can look at the machine room. Traditionally, we need a lot of equipment. But right now, we just need a few cabinets to host the whole the university. And then compare and look at the ERV room, traditional ERV room. There's a lot of cabling and the equipment, but right now we just need the splitter rack. It's very simple. There's no power, this passive, so can save a lot of space and then save a lot of power. Yeah. So yeah, this about the networking part. Okay. Finally, let me summarize how to create the smart campus, because there's in the university there's a lot of requirements from different departments. For example, from the IT department, from the security department, and from the administration department. So how to integrate that the requirement from different, how to design the whole architecture is very important. So that's why we suggest when you want to construct the smart campus, we prefer you do the top-level design. In the top-level design, there are 3 key steps. First one is do the survey analysis. So for example, our HUAWEI, our partner, will help you to do this and finalize your pain point and summarize your requirements. Based on that, we give you the vision and the blueprint architecture. And then, based on the high priority requirements, we design the scenario solution. Based on that, we can get the technical architecture. And based on that, because the solution, total solution maybe there's too comprehensive, there's a lot of things. So then we will give you the suggestion, the roadmap, how to implement it step by step. Yeah, which is the high priority. So we will give you the suggestion. So that's why it's from the survey to the design to the implementation. So HUAWEI will give you the total service. We not only provide the solution, we also work with our partner to provide the total design solution for you. Yeah. So finally, okay, let's share some of the cases. The first case is I think is the Dongguan and sorry. Okay, this maybe has some problem. So let's look at another case is about the Singapore, okay, Singapore NUS. In here, this case is we have them to build the video cloud, okay, because their currents they have a lot of the CCTV system. Each building have a different brand, so it's very difficult for them to do the unified measurements, and then they have a lot of the extent issue for the security. So that's why they want to build a unified VMS, unified video cloud to manage all the things. So HUAWEI will provide our centralized video storage and to integrate all the silo CCTV system, and then to realize the unified management by the single VMS system. And also by the system, we also can improve their video data reliability. And also based on that, they can do the video analytics because there's need the centralized data pool then to do the video analytics. So based on that, they can do the intrusion detection, nurturing, and the illegal parking, and the speeding, all kinds of the AI function in their campus. Another thing is case is the Macau University of Science, Technology, and Smart Campus. So this one we provide a total solution from the IOC to platform and to application, including the Wi-Fi. And through the solution, they improve their security, also all refresh their network. And so with their very high capacity network, they can do the more and more new application. For example, the smart classroom. Yeah. So this is the case for the, that's all my part. Thank you. So let's invite our colleague to present another topic.
Assalamualaikum, selamat petang. Saya perlu pakai mic ke? Masih perlu Okey, saya rasa suara saya ni dah cukup besar dah. Bagi yang kenal saya memang tahu suara saya badan kecil, suara saya boleh sampai ke belakang. Masih sama. Okey, Assalamualaikum, selamat petang, salam sejahtera. Sementara kita tunggu saya punya slide dipaparkan, saya buat a little bit introduction. Saya rasa sebab kita bermula tadi terus kepada presentation. Nama saya Ismanita binti Ismail. Mungkin ada yang dah kenal, ada yang panggil saya Kak Ita ataupun Ita. Bidang industri dalam ICT bermula dengan platform Microsoft. Saya bersama dengan Mapita daripada tahun 2008. Ada wajah yang saya kenal, ada banyak muka baru yang saya perlu kenal. Saya baru je join HUAWEI dalam daripada Cloud Business Unit. Petang ni daripada representatif atau wakil daripada pihak HUAWEI, kita ada dua tim. Tim pertama daripada Cloud Business iaitu saya, dan bersama saya ada Jim daripada partner ekosistem, Jeremy di belakang sana daripada Education Enterprise Business Unit. Kita ada rakan kolaborasi kita bersama untuk di bawah program CFA, mungkin ada wakil daripada pihak Mapita familiar dengan Cloud Framework Agreement. Kita bersama dengan TM ataupun daripada sales unit ada daripada Credence, Tuan Faizal dengan Tuan Syazi merupakan daripada tim BD, dua director, dan juga Puan Liza. Dan juga bersama saya yang akan mendendangkan lagu sebentar lagi adalah Aris Ariwatan, tak, nama dia Aris Iskandar. He's a director in the pre-sales untuk solution architect. So kita faham kita ada 1 jam sahaja, tapi saya nak bercerita sedikit. Bukan dengan HUAWEI. Saya rasa kalau sebut HUAWEI ni banyak kata, oh okey, kita pernah bekerjasama dengan HUAWEI daripada server, daripada switch. Tapi HUAWEI sebenarnya dia besar dan been in Malaysia for quite some times. Cuma daripada engagement kita banyak melalui dengan pihak TM lah. So hari ini untuk slot saya lebih kepada nak mohon kerjasama daripada warga Mapita berkenaan dengan salah satu pertandingan yang kita adakan untuk kaki tangan dan juga terbuka kepada kaki tangan dan juga student IPTA. So program ini dipanggil ataupun pertandingan ini tak nak naik lagi. Okay, saya kena pandai baca sendiri lah. Okay, di HUAWEI Developer Competition 2024. Dia menawarkan paling tidak dia punya hadiah adalah USD 5,000 untuk winner. Same goes for industri, sama ada daripada student ataupun kaki tangan daripada kaki tangan IPTA itu sendiri. Apa yang perlu dilaksanakan adalah yang pertama kena sign up dulu. Ada website yang disediakan. Boleh jadi persendirian, maknanya kalau daripada pihak student, seorang student saja, ataupun dia boleh adakan dalam satu grup paling ramai sebanyak 5 orang. Dan student boleh guna sama ada dia punya current paper yang dia tengah buat, sama juga dengan kaki tangan, mana-mana projek ICT yang boleh berlandaskan public cloud, kami alu-alukan untuk participate. So dia punya beberapa stage yang akan dibuat. Yang pertama of course untuk penyertaan dibuka sekarang dan akan ditutup pada November 15. November 15. So maknanya kalau katakan mana-mana student yang berminat, dia just have to go to the website, sign up, kemudian claim kupon yang disediakan untuk guna kredit HUAWEI Public Cloud antara 70 USD sehingga 250 USD. So siapa cepat dia akan dapat nilai yang tinggi, siapa lambat dia akan dapat nilai yang rendah. So they have to submit the first initial submission by 15 November. Kemudian berdasarkan kriteria-kriteria yang disediakan, salah satunya mesti pakai one of the feature daripada HUAWEI Public Cloud. kita akan shortlist kepada 50 tim. So pertandingan ini diadakan dengan kerjasama Chulalongkorn University di Thailand. So first shortlisted of 50, dia akan bawa kepada second shortlisted yang akan dipilih 18 tim sahaja. So pertandingan ini adalah APEC, maknanya bukan setakat di Malaysia, of course Thailand, Singapore, Indonesia. Buat masa sekarang, kalau tak silap saya, secara APEC ni ada lebih kurang 116 kumpulan telah register. Tak nak naik pun muka saya. Dan last kali, I think by November dia akan beritahu senarai 18 yang akan, kalau katakan shortlisted, akan dibawa fully sponsored by HUAWEI untuk present the final deck to the committee. Dan dari situ kita akan pilih lah, maknanya satu pemenang untuk grand prize, 2 pemenang untuk second, and 3 kumpulan untuk pemenang untuk prize nombor 3. Dah nak habis dah pun. Tak ada. Ni kena pandai sendiri lah ni. Okay, so saya dah cover dari segi fasa 1. Okay, so registration close by November 15. By November 15, first submission kena buat. And then there's a deck that peserta kena ikut, ada template yang kena follow. Untuk submission pertama tidak diwajibkan untuk buat 3 minit video, tapi bagus kalau ada. Judging criteria on the first shortlisting, of course macam saya cakap tadi, kena pakai HUAWEI Cloud Service, salah satu. And then this will be shortlisted into 50. By November 20, the result will be come out. And then second submission, they can actually adjust and revise for the second submission by late November 2024. So the result will be announced in December, and then by mid-December, peserta ini akan dijemput untuk bawa ke Thailand, Bangkok if I'm not wrong. That's why it's going to be done. So saya mohon daripada warga Mapita untuk bantu saya untuk mendapatkan lebih ramai peserta daripada kalangan student. I think this is a good avenue for students to try, especially the ones in berminat dalam application development. So saya harap maklumat yang saya sampaikan ni jelas. Kalau ada apa-apa, saya akan share melalui urus setia kemudian maklumat berkenaan dengan pertandingan ini, dan saya mohon kerjasama warga Mapita untuk bantu kita mendapat lebih ramai penyertaan daripada student-student daripada local university. Untuk tidak melengahkan masa, saya jemput Aris Ariwatan untuk membentangkan seterusnya pembentangan yang kedua. Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum. Semua okey ya? Petang. Nak minum, makan ada dah kot? Boleh kot? Boleh Okey. While waiting untuk setup ni, saya perkenalkan nama saya. Nama saya Aris Iskandar. Saya Director Cloud Pre-Sales and Asset Advisory dekat Telekom. First of all, terima kasih kepada pihak HUAWEI kerana menjemput kami, pihak Telekom, untuk slot ni. Sebenarnya bidang terjun. Tak disangka pula kena present hari ini. So hubungan macam Kak Nita lah, saya bahasakan hubungan antara TM dengan HUAWEI ni sebenarnya bukan masa yang singkat. Kita telah berkolaborasi terlalu lama. Dan in fact, just nak to share, apa yang saya nak present hari ini adalah TM Cloud Alpha Edge. So yang mana pihak TM pun menggunakan teknologi daripada HUAWEI Cloud, okay, yang mana kita build dekat Malaysia, fokus untuk bisnes dekat Malaysia lah. Okay. So teknologi yang sama kita bawa daripada HUAWEI Cloud, kita build dekat dalam TM own Tier 3 data center. So saya start presentation saya, gabra sikit. Okay, so seperti Kak Nita kata tadi, saya rasa pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan mungkin dah tahu, dekat dalam government kita ada My Digital dan TM adalah salah satu cloud service provider yang dilantik untuk menguruskan, especially memberi perkhidmatan pengkomputeran awan kepada agensi ataupun ministry dekat dalam government Malaysia lah. Okay. So apa yang TM ada sekarang ni, so far we are the only local cloud hyperscaler, okay, yang being appointed by government. So of course kalau kita dengar cerita sekarang ni pun AWS pun dah ada. So last time yes Telekom, sekarang ni pun AWS dah ada. Soon akan ada Azure and also Google. Dan dengan cerita under My Digital akan diperkembangkan lagi. So pertandingan ataupun competition tu akan lagi rancak dengan adanya Oracle, dengan adanya few cloud providers yang lain. Okay. So ini yang kita offer so far. So apa yang kita offer adalah kesesuaian untuk mungkin saya addresskan untuk Mapita, okay, untuk penggunaan untuk menggunakan cloud, especially untuk rental services lah. Sebab apa yang kita bagi adalah subscription based. So dekat situ kita ada offering untuk virtual server, storage, networking, security, AI and also other things lah. So pada waktu yang sama dengan teknologi HUAWEI apa yang diberikan kepada pihak TM, okay. So penggunaan cloud tu lagi mudah sebab kebanyakannya telah disediakan sebagai platform as a service. Sebagai contoh, kalau katakan pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan cuba membina big data. So instead of kalau katakan dekat on-prem, kita kena self-deploy Hadoop. So berapa banyak node. Tapi bila melibatkan cloud, dengan hanya satu services, single click of button, kita dah ada dah multiple node untuk Hadoop yang boleh terus diguna pakai. Pada waktu sama, services yang di-offer adalah lebih kepada on-demand. Okay, meaning that from cloud service provider adalah tanggungjawab pihak TM untuk menyediakan services dan juga cloud resources untuk diguna pakai oleh pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan lah. Charging model dia lebih pada pay per use. Basically tuan-tuan dan puan-puan boleh increase, decrease the resource specification. So all those concept macam public cloud tu ada di TM Cloud Alpha Edge. Okay. So dari segi compliance, so kalau kita tengok dekat sini, macam saya katakan pihak TM is the only hyperscaler dekat Malaysia. So kita dah binakan, okay, cloud infrastructure within TM own Tier 3 data center. So lokasi dia berada di Kuala Lumpur, Cyberjaya dan juga Kelana Jaya. So in terms of kalau ada keperluan dan juga macam pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan kadang-kadang dia akan involve dengan PI2 data, okay, personal information data. So yang mana benda tu memerlukan data to be reside in country. So TM comply to that lah, especially untuk data sovereignty. So dari segi data center apa yang disediakan, saya tak pasti sama ada tuan-tuan dan puan-puan pernah datang kita punya data center. So data center telah dilengkapi dengan semua facilities dan even security layer kalau nak masuk pun ada 9 layer. Okay. So dia bukan senang masuk, even saya sendiri pun tak boleh nak masuk kecuali dibenarkan, itu pun melalui surat official. Selalunya saya akan masuk bersama-sama dengan customer. So TM punya data center juga telah diwartakan sebagai kawasan larangan by CGSO, Chief Government Security Officer, meaning that kalau apa-apa berlaku dekat Malaysia, especially riot ke ataupun something yang melibatkan huru-hara, data center TM yang sedia ada ni akan dilindungi oleh askar-askar lah, okay? Supaya dia tidak akan mengganggu dari segi services yang diberikan kepada customer. Okay. Macam saya kata, dengan teknologi HUAWEI, apa yang kita binakan semila macam HUAWEI Cloud. Sekarang HUAWEI Cloud kita ada dekat Singapura, Bangkok, Jakarta pun dengan cerita dah ada lain, dah buka. So ada banyak lagi country yang lain. Tapi apa yang TM buat adalah dengan kolaborasi TM, kita fully invest, build local cloud hyperscaler dekat Malaysia. Yang mana konsep dia dari segi region, availability zone, ada untuk kita comply dari segi resiliency, reliability and also scalability. So dekat sini, since TM ni selain daripada cloud service provider, kita pun adalah telco. So both data center ataupun availability zone currently are interconnected dengan terabit punya network. So dari segi keupayaan server punya reachability, latency wise, kita boleh ensure katakanlah kita letak server dekat AZ1 dengan AZ2 untuk fault tolerance, the latency we still can commit less than 2 millisecond. Okay. So sedikit sebanyak kalau katakan mungkin akan bertanya lah bagaimana TM set up infrastructure. So kalau perasan dekat sini kita memang mengambil kira keseluruhan from the infrastruktur tu sendiri, security dan juga scalability. So dekat sini kita telah implement multi-layer of security untuk memastikan keselamatan data. Okay. Untuk customer yang mengguna pakai TM Cloud Alpha Ish. Okay. So penggunaan untuk masuk ke cloud ni, okay, quite simple. It's just a portal. Kalau perasan dekat sini, TM ada dia punya own portal. Okay. Tak sama macam HUAWEI Cloud. Okay. Tapi dari segi services, dari segi kata workability is almost similar dengan HUAWEI Cloud. So bila kita dapat satu account daripada TM Cloud Alpha Ish, tuan-puan dah ada dah seolah-olah virtual data center. Dekat dalam situ boleh provision, be it for server ke, network ke, security, untuk kegunaan aplikasi. Dan pada waktu sama yang membezakan antara public cloud dengan on-prem virtualization, kalau kita perasan, ada satu feature yang kita panggil auto scaling. Okay. So auto scaling boleh membantu dari segi monitor in terms of the traffic. Maksudnya, kalau katakan contohnya pihak tuan-puan ada satu aplikasi yang mana benda tu dia macam spiky. Contohnya untuk peperiksaan ke, untuk apa ke. So resource tu boleh diadakan secara automatik dan juga boleh dikurangkan secara automatik menggunakan auto scaling punya features. Sorry. So kalau ikutkan dekat sini, services yang kita ada ni telah mencukupi sebenarnya untuk kebanyakan agensi ataupun ministry. Okay, untuk mengguna pakai, kita ada services ranging from the compute, storage, networking, enterprise intelligence pun kita ada, especially untuk AI. So kita ada model arts yang mana kita boleh guna untuk machine learning. Kita ada juga map reduce services. So yang mana kita boleh gunakan macam contohnya untuk Hadoop platform. Okay. So kita ada pelbagai lagi lah dekat situ. So kalau nak terangkan setiap satu tu terlalu banyak. Okay. Tapi pada masa yang sama, dengan bantuan HUAWEI, teknologi yang kita ada ni bukan statik. So kita akan always buat pertambahan supaya dia bersamaan dengan HUAWEI Cloud dekat luar Malaysia. Okay. So some comparison yang saya buat. So kalau kita tengok from the infrastructure ataupun platform as a services, keupayaan yang ada dekat TM Cloud Alpha Ish is almost the same dengan public cloud hyperscaler yang lain lah. So saya tak compare dengan HUAWEI Cloud sebab kita pun lebih kurang dengan HUAWEI Cloud. So kebanyakan keperluan, especially katakanlah pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan nak tukar daripada monolithic punya application kepada microservices. This one can be done menggunakan cloud sebab kita ada services yang kita panggil sebagai Cloud Container Engine. Okay, ini TM Cloud Alpha Edge cyber security punya framework and also offering. So macam saya kata tadi, from the infrastructure level, kita mengambil kira keseluruhan security. Pada waktu sama kita pun ada security council and also SOC untuk monitor keselamatan cloud infrastructure yang disediakan. Okay. Tapi apa yang kita sediakan in terms of security, especially untuk tenant security, services ni available untuk diguna pakai jika katakanlah pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan dah familiar dengan certain brand. Okay, so maybe you all nak gunakan virtual appliance, kita ada list of virtual appliance yang kita dah tested and also working well, especially untuk SDR, next generation firewall, SIEM and also WAF. Okay. So dari segi use case, kalau kita tengok, kita ada banyak customer, alhamdulillah, sebenarnya kita started 3 minit lagi. Wow, kejamnya. So basically kita banyak use case customer. Kita ada ranging from the enterprise, kita ada banking customer, kita ada public sector customers yang telah menggunakan TM Cloud. So salah satu contoh case tadi, contohnya mungkin tuan-tuan dah familiar lah. Macam contoh Padu, SPM, both are running in TM Cloud Alpha Edge. Pada waktu sama kita ada juga yang hospital, information system, kita ada banking untuk card management, education pun ada juga running LMS dekat dalam cloud kita. So mungkin selepas ni kita akan ada more, okay, insyaAllah. UM? Salah satu kawan saya cerita macam contoh case UM. So UM basically dia menggunakan cloud untuk reducekan cost instead of building up another DR, okay, yang mana cost dia mungkin almost similar dengan production DC. So dia DR-kan kepada cloud. Itu adalah salah satu contoh untuk reducekan cost. So ini adalah salah satu solution yang kita buat untuk customer for LMS, yang mana kita mengambil kira keseluruhan dari segi scalability, reliability and also fault tolerance. Just in case kalau katakan ada keperluan, okay, untuk buat landing zone for example, kalau pernah dengar nama landing zone, is a governance, macam mana kita boleh manage multiple account, especially kalau katakan kita ada banyak application, okay. Yang ini kita dah implemented untuk KPM, MOE, sebagai contoh untuk aplikasi IDME dengan SCAMI, okay, menggunakan landing zone punya konsep. Ini salah satu contoh yang digunakan pakai oleh UM. Okay. So penggunaan cloud ni dia versatile. So since infrastructure are there, it is all about macam mana kita nak menggunakan infrastructure tu secara pay per use ataupun subscription basis. So kita change from capex into opex. So another thing is that kalau katakan customer bila dia masuk cloud, selalunya dia ada issue in terms of macam mana kita nak monitor sebab semua tu adalah virtual. So kita ada satu juga solution yang kita panggil conversion application. Dia boleh memberi visibility application stack sampai kepada infra. Sorry saya cepatkan lagi. So kita ada juga some of the customers using cloud untuk big data. So saya rasa sekarang ni trending dah ke arah situ. Big data, AI, machine learning. So yang mana dia boleh guna pakai, kalau perasan dekat sini, kita ada konsep of data lake, macam mana kita nak ingest, macam mana kita nak masukkan ke dalam data warehouse. Dan pada waktu sama macam mana kita nak projectkan under business intelligence punya tool, and also kita boleh push kepada machine learning. Ini salah satu juga customer yang kita buat dekat Johor. So dia menggunakan IoT sensor. So dia push balik kepada cloud untuk dia jadikan satu model yang mana application dia boleh interface dengan memberikan ratio baja dan berapa dia boleh predict the yield. Okay, yield result tu. Dan dalam TM punya cloud, basically kita pun ada AI yang mana kita boleh trainkan model. Kita ada 5 model yang boleh diguna pakai. Konsep yang kita ada kat sini is a no code. So basically kita boleh menggunakan konsep dataset dan kita boleh buat labeling, kita boleh train dan daripada situ kita boleh interface dengan application. So ini salah satu contoh yang saya buat juga, okay, untuk differentiate antara kucing dengan anjing. So apa yang saya buat adalah melalui mata kasar kita boleh bezakan, tapi macam mana kita nak mengajar komputer untuk membezakan dua haiwan yang mempunyai karakteristik yang sama. So dekat sini saya menggunakan labeling dataset yang banyak, walaupun saya train machine learning hanya mendapat 76% saja accuracy, but yet saya boleh differentiate dari segi yang mana kucing, yang mana anjing based on the percentage. Okay. Ini juga adalah salah satu penggunaan cloud. So macam saya kata tadi, dalam listing services saya ada satu dipanggil optical character recognition. So yang ini saya guna pakai, contohnya saya ambil satu pasport. So saya masukkan dalam OBS, saya call menggunakan API dan daripada situ saya boleh baca nama yang saya dah scan gambar tu dan accuracy dekat sini we are talking around 98 to 99% lah. So maksudnya model tu dah cantik. So boleh terus guna pakai. Okay. So itu apa yang kita ada. But 2 minit lagi. Okay. Sebab ini nak sentuh HUAWEI pula. Okay. Apa yang TM boleh offer. So similar teknologi yang kita orang dah invest. Kan? So kalau katakan pihak Mapita nak build on-prem. Okay. Instead of you still maintain on the virtualization, why not using public cloud infrastructure, okay, yang mana dia dah ada untuk database, data lake, large AI, sebagai contoh macam untuk apa ni, large language punya model, all those things lah. Okay. So ini yang TM boleh offer together dengan HUAWEI, okay, as a collaboration partner. So ini slide HUAWEI sebenarnya. So kalau perasan dekat sini, okay. So menggunakan teknologi HUAWEI ataupun cloud stack, kita boleh deploy dekat on-prem. So yang mana instead of kalau sebelum ni hanya penggunaan virtualization, now you can step up menggunakan data as a service, AI as a service, yang mana benda ni boleh membantu pihak Mapita untuk kata membina aplikasi yang lagi baik pada tahun 2025. Okay. So okay, so basically untuk HUAWEI Cloud Stack, it can be customized. So untuk case Mapita, kita hanya fokus kepada database, data lake dengan large AI punya model. Okay, this one fundamental punya layer. Bila kita build up the infrastructure, of course, the design, everything, we will taken care in terms of high reliability, end-to-end security, flexible management, macam mana kita boleh kata buat pecahan dari segi resources tu untuk kegunaan setiap division ataupun setiap department. Dan of course dengan menggunakan teknologi HUAWEI Cloud, it is more on open ecosystem lah. Okay. Okay. Ini salah satu sebab pihak IPTA rasanya lebih kepada Oracle. So kalau katakan nak buat cost saving in terms of license, maybe boleh explore what we call as a GhostDB. So GhostDB itu kita boleh buat kata checking in terms of compatibility menggunakan satu servis kita panggil Yugo, dan kita boleh buat data replication services into cloud. So this one of the part kalau katakan pihak Mapita untuk kata looking into other option and also alternative beside the Oracle. So Oracle sini kita bukan sekadar cakap pasal database, tapi Oracle application as well lah. Okay. Ini bila kita sebut big data, so of course big data tu dia kena ada komponen-komponen yang lengkap. Dari segi data lake dia kena ada kata Hadoop, kena ada data warehouse, dan of course kena ada data studio yang mana kita boleh buat ETL ataupun ELT lah. Okay. Especially macam mana kita nak buat data crunching, kita nak buat data formalization before kita input kepada another services to be pushed untuk consumption application. Okay. So rasa ini yang last slide rasanya. Okay. So ini kita talking about the large language model. So right now industri dah ke arah generative AI. Okay. So maybe dengan penggunaan CE Huawei ataupun CE Cloud Stack ni, what we can do ataupun what we can help Mapita adalah by building up the AI functionality. So kalau perasan dekat sini ni, underlying dia still on the infrastructure, tapi AI framework tu yang penting. So yang mana kita menggunakan Mindspore punya framework dan kena ada model arts untuk development platform. Contohnya, katakanlah pihak Mapita dia nak try out certain algorithm menggunakan Jupyter Notebook. All those things can be done here. Okay. Then of course, all those services we can discuss together. Macam mana kita nak enablekan for Mapita from today onwards, so that kecemerlangan tu boleh dicapai. Okay. Saya rasa, itu saja last slide saya. Saya berharap apa yang saya cerita tadi macam bullet train, hopefully memberi manfaat and also memberi idea, and also mungkin akan menjelmakan yang kata potensi kolaborasi lah antara TM Huawei and also Mapita. So sekian, terima kasih. Saya serahkan balik.
Okay, terima kasih Aris. I hope that's a brief one. Mungkin kita terbangkan masa 10 minit. Saya minta just a few seconds. Bagi pihak-pihak Huawei, kami mengambil kesempatan ini untuk mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada Jawatankuasa Mapita dan juga Dr. Nik sebagai pengurusi Mapita dan juga daripada MO sendiri di atas kesempatan yang diberikan. Moga kita diberi peluang untuk di lain masa. I'll collaborate more right after this with the representative. Thank you so much. Right.
Baik, terima kasih kepada Huawei Technologies Malaysia Sdn Bhd bagi menzahirkan rasa terima kasih pihak majlis kepada Huawei dijemput Yang Berhormat Puan Harina Osman untuk ke tengah pentas sebentar bagi sesi penyampaian cenderamata ke Huawei. Silakan. Baik, terima kasih. Baik, tuan-tuan dan puan, sebelum kita ke sesi seterusnya, dijemput untuk mengambil hidangan di belakang dulu dan kemudian kembali ke meja dan kita boleh proceed ke sharing yang kedua. Jadi silakan. Kepada tim EnfraSys boleh set up dulu .
okey. Okey ah. 60 hertz. Boleh ah. Atau mau tukar 30 hertz? Okey. Nanti duplicate dulu ah, tengok dulu sekali lagi. Mau duplicate. Duplicate tak boleh eh? Ui? Heran lah. Tak apa, saya guna duplicate. Guna duplicate lah, tak apa. Ya, guna accent lah, tak apa lah.
Baik tuan-tuan dan puan, kita akan bermula sekitar seminit daripada sekarang. Baik, tuan-tuan dan puan, sesi perkongsian kita yang kedua untuk hari ini akan dibawakan oleh EnfraSys Solutions Sdn Bhd. Jadi sekitar 50 minit yang seterusnya saya serahkan pentas ini kepada EnfraSys Solutions Sdn Bhd. Dipersilakan.
Okay, terima kasih Tuan Pengerusi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat petang kepada semua yang hadir. Saya Kamarudin daripada EnfraSys. Saya juga nak perkenalkan rakan-rakan saya yang ada pada hari ini. Raymond Tan, Chief Digital Officer, Hasri yang depan ni, Product Manager, dan kita ada Sheila di belakang, Account Manager kita yang baru, Head of Education, dan Fawiza yang dah lama di EnfraSys. Jadi pertama kali saya nak ucap terima kasihlah kepada pihak KPT, pihak Mapita, Puan Halina, Cik Nik, dan juga tuan rumah Dr. Megat dan rakan-rakan daripada UPSI. Saya ni bukan barulah di sini, saya pun pernah di UUM 2014-2020 dengan Mapita. Jadi dapat jumpa balik ramai juga kawan-kawan yang biasa dulu. So orang kata apa ni? Ya, dah lama di sini. Baik. Sebab kita baru ada 50 minit saja, kita ada 3 presenter, jadi saya nak cepat saja. Mungkin ramai yang belum tahu EnfraSys kan. Jadi kita baru saja bersama dengan KPT. Ditubuhkan lebih kurang 20 tahun yang dahulu. Kita syarikat local Malaysian. Sekarang kita ada lebih kurang 120 lebih staff. All local. Kita punya fokus more on Microsoft products. So bila orang ingat EnfraSys, orang ingat Microsoft lah. Kita memang a certified partner to Microsoft. Setakat ni kita ada dah 5 certification from Microsoft. And we are the only among the local company yang ada certification daripada Microsoft. As you can see, it's not easy to get certification. It's very difficult and it's very costly also. So Alhamdulillah, we managed to get 5 so far. The 6th one is coming soon lah. Kita ada all the detail dekat situ. Okay, dan mungkin ramai pun dah tahu kita adalah partner kepada Microsoft. Dan kita juga telah tanda tangan Cloud Framework Agreement CFA dengan kerajaan, dengan pihak mampu JDN. Kita adalah, kalau Microsoft tu dikonsider sebagai managed service provider ataupun cloud service provider, kita ni managed service provider kepada Microsoft. Bermakna kalau pihak kerajaan, universiti, education, public sector nak beli Microsoft, dia boleh datang kepada EnfraSys, mendapat harga yang lebih murah, iaitu harga di bawah CFA ini. Jadi itu kelebihan yang ada kepada pihak kerajaan, pihak public sector, universiti termasuk untuk mendapatkan servis di bawah CFA. Customer kita bukan saja public tapi banyak juga kita di pihak komersial yang boleh saya sebut secara pantas. Kalau di pihak kerajaan ni yang baru ni kita sign dengan LHDN, the e-invoice guna Microsoft Cloud. Di pihak education, MOE pun dengan kita, alhamdulillah. KPT, MOE pun dengan kita, dan JCOP pun lagi satu yang besar dengan kita, yang telah move to Microsoft. Okay. My last slide lah. Saya nak cepat. Okay, kita Microsoft partner. Jadi ini caranya kita produk-produk yang ada yang kita bawa di bawah Microsoft. Dan pada hari ini kita bertuah sebab kita ada rakan saya Raymond dan Hasri yang akan bentang beberapa produk sebab memang produk-produk ni banyak. Kalau kita nak spend ni setiap satu ni memang lambat lah. Yang kita akan share lepas ni adalah M365 dan kita ada Co-Pilot, kita akan ada juga demo on Co-Pilot dan Power Platform kita akan ada demo on Power Platform. Yang ini kita tak present hari ini, mungkin kita akan buat masa kemudian. Ini adalah di bawah Modern Workplace lah, kita panggil Modern Workplace bawah Microsoft. Yang di tengah ni Cloud, kita akan juga present Cloud dan kita akan juga cerita pasal Business Continuity and DR. di mana you boleh guna Microsoft untuk engage dengan kita, untuk subscribe to DR as a service. Mana DR you dekat cloud. Dua tu kita akan bentang hari ini, yang lain mungkin masa depan. Dan last kali data and AI ni kita akan bentang Fabric. Fabric, mana dia data warehouse bawah Microsoft. So itu saja kita akan bentang hari ini. Yang lain tu insyaAllah kita akan hari masa lain. Sebab masa ni very limited. Jadi sebelum tu saya lepas pada Raymond dulu. Nanti masa wrap up ni saya akan masuk balik lah insyaAllah. So Mr. Raymond.
Thank you, Encik Kamal. Alright, good afternoon everyone. Once again, my name is Raymond from EnfraSys. Thank you, Mapita, and good afternoon to everyone who come and attend this meeting. And we are honored to present to you all the Microsoft Cloud solutions, especially in this Microsoft A3 plan. This A3 plan, each and every university already has the license, and the normal desktop of the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, itu yang biasa dia. And you also come with the Outlook in terms of 100 gig mailbox, OneDrive in terms of 1 terabyte cloud storage for backup, restore. You also come with the Microsoft Teams for meeting, webinar, town hall, as well as classroom tools. So the classroom tool including Learning Accelerator, Whiteboard, Minecraft for education, for students to build the 3Ds, to build the buildings, infrastructure through the game. And then we also come with OneNote class notebook, data sync, all kind of accessibility, and all this plan is part of the Microsoft A3 plan. One of the things that I'm going to demo shortly is also including the Copilot for Microsoft 365. Yeah, so I believe everyone heard about Copilot, which is an AI assistant tool, macam ChatGPT tapi bukan ChatGPT. Alright. And then from there onwards, I will also demo about the Power Apps, where Power Apps allow lecturer, student, faculty to create a low-code solutions or perform a workflow automations. And all these things is part of your licensing in Microsoft A3 plan. Of course, you also come with a lot of tools, security, compliance, Microsoft Form for quiz and survey, and all these things is part of your Microsoft 365 A3 plan. So we do understand that many of the IT may not familiarize the Microsoft 365 tools in terms of how to manage it, how to optimize it, how to giving the access control, reset password, and all those things. This is where we have a classroom to help, especially your uni IT, to be able to manage the Office 365 effectively. And not only that, we also have Microsoft 365 champion training to teach lecturer, student, faculty in terms of how they can maximize using all these learning tools in the Microsoft Classroom using the Teams over here. And of course, we have other trainings that be able to provide to all the user on how to use it in the very bite-sized learning tool. And the best is all these things where we done the live webinar, the recorded video in terms of bite size on every 90 minutes per sessions will be able to upload to your Moodle or your other LMS tool for further e-learning. Now, very quickly, I'll jump into my second topic because we all understand that we have 50 minutes only. Yeah. So, Copilot for M35 is not new to you all because all of you have experienced the ChatGPT, right? So, this is the same engine similar like ChatGPT. So, ChatGPT is using GPT Engine 4.0, and Microsoft Copilot is also using GPT 4.0. because it's all coming from the same company called OpenAI. So in this Copilot for Microsoft 365, many of you can use a free one. The free one is what we call Copilot Chat with web grounding. Web grounding meaning that it's similar like the ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT about ideations, about drafting, about planning and other activities and other information you want to ask general information using the web. The second one is what we call Copilot Chat in the work grounding, meaning work similar to your uni school, grounding that it based on your email, files, meeting summary or recording in terms of transcript to summarize it, extract it, and give you the work grounding or school grounding. The third one is Copilot work across all kind of Microsoft 365 tools, including what? Microsoft Meetings to run the webinar, to run the classroom training, Word, Excel, PowerPoint that you're familiar with, as well as OneNote to capturing the notes for school or education related, and the whiteboard and so on. The last one is Copilot Studio. The moment that you need using this Copilot for Microsoft 365, what you will get also, which is the AI chatbot built by yourself. Now imagine, you have an AI chatbot, you put all kind of Q&A knowledge base about school registration, about student onboarding, semua taruh di ini custom AI chatbot that you build. And you allow the student to ask this AI chatbot, which class, how to access to the library to borrow the book, and how can I apply the hostel room, and so on and so forth. So all these things is you can use Copilot for Microsoft 365 to build your own knowledge base of the AI chatbot. How cool it is, right? So in the Copilot for Microsoft 365, Microsoft understand that security and compliance is the first and top priority. So in summary, you control your data. And Microsoft also say that they will not use your prompt that you enter inside the Copilot as a training. It will not. Yeah, because you control data, it give you the data protection in all kind of way and fulfill the security, governance, compliance, and privacy control. All right, let's come to the demo parts. When come to demo, the first thing will be coming from the email. So we believe that email is everyone's using it, yeah, over here. So I got a sample email and using Microsoft Outlook for sure. In this Microsoft Outlook, it's kind of a long email from one user, talk to another colleague, Devagi, then talk to the BA demo, then talk to myself and all those things. Long email. So I know that I probably don't have much time to read every single line of the content. What can we do? So we ask Copilot, hey Copilot, help me to summarize the meeting over here. So I can click one button at the top called Summary by Copilot, and just a single click, ta-da, it helped me to summarize for you. Imagine you having a long list, and then you got 100 email, belum baca lagi. And you can use Outlook with the Copilot Power Engine. And this AI assistant tool will help you to summarize it as one example. What happened if you want to respond to this email? I can easily respond and then using Copilot to draft the email. So sometimes I don't know how to draft the email professionally, right? No problem. I will leave it to Copilot to do the job. So give me a second. So I'll just like reply with thank you and meet up next week. Just as simple as it is, I can just generate. Copilot will basically, based on the content itself, and draft for you that thank you for your email and providing the project timeline. It's great to hear you. We can kick things off in November and target to complete by March 2025. Appreciate your effort coordinating this and Looking forward in our cooperation on this exciting project. Wow. One short answer help you draft a professional email. If you don't like this tone, don't worry. You can change other tone as well. Make it longer, make it shorter, make it sound like formal, direct, casual, or even make it a poem. Oh, fun part, right? So all these things allow you to experience. Now, let's talk about Microsoft Word then. What can you do in Microsoft Word? A lot of people talk about Microsoft Word, you can create proposal, or as a lecturer, I want to craft out a new training program. Maybe talk about AI in Microsoft, right? So I can ask Copilots in the Microsoft Word to help me draft that out. How do you do that? So all I need to do is ask a Copilot and then type here, draft the training program in 2 days to teach AI in Microsoft Cloud Solution. Then I can say that list the key benefits and generate. Just as simple as it is, right? Microsoft basically help you to, Copilot basically help you to draft the training introductions. Oh. Then day one, belajar apa? AI and Microsoft Azure. Day two, Azure Machine Learning. Day three, Connective Service. Advanced topic and hands-on lab for AI and big data. IoT, hands-on lab. List out the key benefit, give you the conclusion. Nice. Just imagine, if your boss, yeah, or didn't ask you to create one, how long will it take? Just imagine how long will it take. Maybe it will take me 1 day minimum. Yeah? So if 1 day, it help you to save 1 hour. Oh, this 1 hour short near, you can do other things. Yeah? Rather than focusing on this, leave it to Copilot, this AI assistant tool, to get the job done easily. What else? I want to show you the PowerPoint is next. PowerPoint, everyone love it for presentation, for project, for report, monthly report, and so on, right? So Microsoft Copilot also available in PowerPoint to create presentation about something. But you know what, Raymond? I don't have the idea on how to start with. What is the structures, the content, the Gamba animation, everything I don't know. Never mind. Leave it to Copilot in PowerPoint to do the job for you. So all I need to do is create presentation about something. Maybe I want to say that smart learning in AI using Microsoft. Yeah, just as simple as it is. Tanpa cerita banyak-banyak. And I leave it to the Copilot in PowerPoint to help me create and the structure of my slide. From there, it will tell you that, introducing the smart learning in AI, then using the technology, education institution, personalization, future trend, and so on. From here, I think that I don't want the future trend. Then I can delete it. See? Oh, I think enhance on the learning experience, I can move it up. See? All those things allow you to customize, or you can add more further if you want to. Yeah? So for this demo, I will just generate the slide. Just based on that, Copilot basically in PowerPoint will add the title, add the speaker note at the note, add the Gamba, content, animations, everything for you. And this is one of the best AI assistant tool that ChatGPT cannot do. I think you know what is a difference between ChatGPT and the Copilot in all these two, yeah? So once I'm done with it, then putting my slide together, crafting the presentation, apply the design, and ta-da! Siap. Your slide is ready to present. Oh. Gamba, animations, outlines, semua, all these things leveraging on the Copilot LLM. Yeah? With all the tools, everything here. Of course, you require to fine-tune, yeah? To see how these things to best fit for your uni over here. So all these things is where we talk about the powerful tools over here. Other than that, yeah, this is my last demo in terms of the Copilot for M365. Beside that, whiteboard also widely used in a lot of higher education, right? So this is a digital whiteboard that we're talking about. And if the lecturer want to run some brainstorming session, workshop about ideations, what can you do, right? No need to think. Just type inside the prompt and ask Copilot to do the job for you. So what I can do is, I will just type in the whiteboard to say the ideas to run campaign for AI technology using Microsoft. Yeah? So I can just click as easy as it is. Now, Copilots will basically getting the content from the LM and help me to draft this content. And from there onwards, yep, it will show you that, maybe you want to highlight an AI use case, success story, offer the free demo, highlight the integration benefit, and promote AI workshop. If it's not enough, generate more. Yeah, it will give you more idea in the Copilot in whiteboard, and once it's done, you insert it. Wow, it looks like the ideations for brainstorming, right? But probably too much of thing. You can ask Copilot to help you categorize it easily by clicking one button, and now Copilot will help you to categorize into 4 areas: marketing strategy, customer engagement, education event, and content creation. How cool it is, right? Yeah, this is how you can leverage and maximize the usage in the Copilot for M365. Now, let me quickly move on to Copilot for Power Platform. Now, you know that Copilot not only available in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and so on, it's also available in the Power Platforms. So, Power Platform is a low-code development platform, allow lecturer, staff, or student to create a business applications. Yeah, just an Excel formula to make the functional or logical work, but no programming. Yeah, no PHP, no Python, no C#, no. Everything is low code, help you to build web or even mobile applications, help you to create a workflow. Workflow come with the cloud flow as well as RPA. Pernah dengar RPA? Yeah, robotic process automation, right? We can leverage on Power Platform to get the robot follow the mouse click, follow the keyboard type to do data entry, repetitive routine tasks. And all this thing is powered by Power Automate. You can build your own AI chatbot in your university website, yeah, to serve as a customer service, or put it into the IT website to help the student to address those IT questions using the Copilot Studio. And this is a platform for you to build your custom AI chatbot. You can also create Power Pages for business-centric website macam WordPress, or Power BI to allow you to create a very interactive reports or dashboard, connect to Excel, SQL Server, and other databases. I won't go through in details. It's trying to share with you that if you're looking at app modernizations, if you're looking at putting the Moodle into the Azure cloud for better connectivity into the Microsoft Teams, or to have a better integration from one platform to the other, all this thing is where Power Platform can bring you the value. And we have built many solutions for a lot of customers, including bank, manufacturing, telco, and so on. This is some of the apps that we built for one of the agencies to upskill Malaysians to talk about the e-memo automations with the approval, generate PDF file, and to keep track the status for the memo in their company. We also help bank to build a HR e-recruitment apps to automate the entire hiring, request, approval process, and so on, as well as help the telco to build equipment tracking apps, yeah, in one of the green color telco using and running in the mobile phone, whether it's iOS or Android or iPad. We also help one of the telco regular body government agency to build a HR e-recruitment using the RPA tools, yeah, to recognize the AI. As long as we train this AI model for minimum about 10 documents or more, we can get 96% of the accuracy for you to recognize the data, and together with the RPA to do this automation, log into the job street, link in to download the resume by asking robot to do this repetitive task, and this is for HR recruitment. We do deliver a lot of things, including a local development, support services, on-site training, certification, or even hackathon. We run a lot of hackathons in many areas over here. So I'm trying to show you a very quick demo on how I can use Power Apps to create the app within 5 minutes. Do you think possible? It is possible. Let's take a look, yeah? So, very simple. I would just say that maybe I want to create asset inventory app. Just as simple as it is to click next. Copilot in Power Apps recognize the prompt that I enter. Then they're trying to setting up the app behind it. I can instruct the Copilot that maybe I want additional column in terms of locations. Maybe I want additional area in one of the picture over here. So I can change whether asset, location, and ask Copilot to even add more and so on. Now for times area over here, I'm not going to add additional stuff. I will just ask a Copilot to save and then open the app. Okay? And without any modification, just as simple as create the asset inventory app. Now, Copilot in Power Apps understand the prompt that I enter for this subject, and it will get the application ready in the short while, within a minute times. From there onwards, this application will be ready to use, ready to publish, ready to share with the colleagues, student, lecturer, faculty, and you can also using these Power Apps linked to certain automations like email notifications, like team messaging, like calendar invite sharing, or even you can do approval in the workflow automations. All those things can be done using this Copilot in Power Apps. So right now it is still finalizing and it'll be done very quickly. So can you imagine that if you have this Copilot in Power Apps, it helps you to create any applications that probably missing in your uni, but you want to automate it, modernize the application and quickly build it and share with a colleague. All those things is powered by the Microsoft Power Apps over here. So once I done, I will just click play button and then my application will be start and ready to use. You see that? So now I only left 2 minutes for my demo. So allow me to change it back to the slide over here. We do provide various type of training, in this case. So anything related to the Power Platform, no matter is you want to build your educations Power Apps, you want to build your automations workflow, RPA, or you want to build the Power BI visualization your data, or you want to build your own AI chatbot, in a uni using the Copilot Studio. All those things is where we can offer for the training on how to get maximize it, app modernization, and apply the AI capability in this case. All right, so all the students who attend our training, we will provide a certificate of achievement from Microsoft and other Microsoft CEO punya signature Satya. Yeah, so wow, the time is just right. So let me now, what other things over here is we do understand that many universities interested about the Copilot. As an EnfraSys, what we can offer is we can do the tech update webinar, for your student, for your lecturer, for the staff, faculty, and so on, and not only that, we do welcome to get in touch with our head of education, Sheila, for further engagements in this free webinar that we can offer and showcase, demonstrate, address the Q&A and so on. We also understand that university also interested in purchasing or subscribing this Copilot for Microsoft 365. Definitely you can engage with us or liaise with Encik Hafiz from KPT in terms of the licensing for Copilot for Microsoft 365. We are here to assist you all to ensure that how you can learn and equip the latest AI technology in the current era and benefit in your university over here. Okay. All right. So all this thing is when come to the pricing is all under the CFA, meaning you definitely can get the lower fee beside the retail price of the pricing, and all this thing is where you all can enjoy with. Nevertheless, let me pass the floor to my colleague Hasri to present to you the Microsoft Azure. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. Ada soalan untuk Encik Raymond? Kalau ada quick question pasal Copilot tadi untuk studio untuk Power Platform dengan 365. Kalau ada nanti selepas sesi ini nanti Encik Sheila Raymond ada kami akan support lah. Okay. Thank you Raymond. Assalamualaikum dan selamat petang semua. Saya Hasri, Product Manager from EnfraSys. So a bit since kita ada time yang tak berapa lama, so saya akan browse through on the presentation untuk Azure. So Azure is up to your pronunciation lah. And so kita kalau macam I guna Azure, ada setengah Azure, ada setengah Azure, pulang. Tapi yang pentingnya Microsoft Azure is a cloud, public cloud dekat Azure yang insyaAllah tahun depan kita akan bertapak di Malaysia lah insyaAllah. Okey, apakah penyebab utama yang kemungkinan pihak universiti akan triggers move ke cloud? Kita ada pelbagai-pelbagai triggers kat sini ataupun what's driving the university to the move into cloud. So contoh-contohnya kita ada universiti mungkin nak memodernkan you data center. So Azure ada platform untuk universiti memindahkan you punya aplikasi ke Azure untuk app modernization for contohnya. Satu lagi, kalau keperluan untuk buat DR, backup, pihak Microsoft ada menyediakan platform Azure untuk universiti untuk membuat business continuity yang seterusnya. So kalau dekat sini saya cuba ingin membawa pihak-pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan ke satu transformasi ataupun journey lah. Sekarang ni mungkin data-data pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan ada di on-premise. So bagaimana cara yang paling mudah nak pindah ke cloud ataupun ke arah Azure. So yang paling ringkas IaaS atau Infrastructure as a Service. Maksudnya pihak universiti ataupun pihak tuan-tuan puan-puan akan membawa server ataupun storage ke cloud. That's the most basic punya infrastructure kita punya platform lah. Kemudian dari segi itu pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan boleh terus membuat apps implementation on the cloud and leverage on the Azure services untuk business analytics, data warehousing dan seterusnya. So dari segi cloud transformasi, inilah yang paling cara yang paling yang untuk kefahaman pihak-pihak universiti dan juga tuan-tuan dan puan-puan lah. So sama ada pihak tuan-tuan nak start pada IAS boleh, kalau nak bermula pada terus ke BA boleh saja. Cuma melihat pada keperluan pihak universiti ke arah mana pada ketika ini dan akan datang insya-Allah. Seterusnya pada pihak EnfraSys ingin mengambil peluang untuk memberi lebih lanjut mengenai berkenaan Azure Hybrid Benefit, VMware dan juga backup DR untuk pihak universiti lah sekarang ni ya. Contohnya kalau pihak universiti ada lisensi Microsoft untuk server ataupun untuk SQL, pihak universiti membayar pada lisensi yang agak mahal. Okey, pihak Azure atau pihak Microsoft dengan suka ceritanya kalau pihak universiti akan ke cloud, insya-Allah akan ada saving dari segi licensing, di mana pihak universiti tak perlu membayar lisensi untuk Microsoft. Hanya membayar lisensi untuk compute saja. Asalkan ada software assurance yang dibeli sekali bila ke cloud. So it's a saving for the pihak universiti sendiri dan pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan lah. Sebab kalau kita ingatkan, kalau pihak universiti ingin buat pay as you go punya model, ada saving tu 40%. Tetapi kalau pihak universiti langsung ke RI ataupun R3 untuk the next 3 years, akan ada lagi more saving on interval licensing. So ini kita panggilkan Azure Hybrid Benefit untuk pihak universiti, save licensing on-premise to the cloud. Yang keduanya, jika pihak universiti ada license VMware yang besar, contohnya lebih pada 100 core, for example, kita ada dua cara lah yang sesuai. Okay, yang pertamanya kita ada Azure VMware Solution di mana dia mengambil kira on-premise VMware ke cloud. Seperti mana pihak universiti menggunakan VMware di on-premise, dia sama je dengan di Azure. Dan keduanya, kalau licensing daripada pihak universiti ataupun tuan-tuan dan puan-puan untuk VMware tak banyak, kita ada cara. Maksudnya pihak universiti boleh modernize you punya infrastructure menggunakan IaaS dengan PaaS. So kita ada memberi option pada pihak universiti untuk mengambil kira yang mana kalau nak mengurangkan penggunaan pembayaran licensing untuk VMware lah. So kalau ada soalan, just raise hand, saya boleh menjawab on the spot insyaAllah. Dan nombor tiganya, pihak universiti juga kalau mengambil kira, kalau in case kalau nak invest serta-serta infrastructure untuk buat backup dan DR, Azure juga ada menyediakan platform untuk ke arah ke situ juga, di mana pihak universiti tidak perlu lagi memikir untuk invest additional infrastructure, so boleh leverage on the Azure untuk replicate your data ataupun backup your data. So it will help you to basically save more and costing in term in the future investment. So ini adalah kita panggil 3 cara ataupun 3 solution play yang amat mudah untuk pihak universiti ataupun pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan untuk memikir langkah pertama untuk ke cloud lah. Dan untuk saya presentation yang seterusnya, kita juga ada Microsoft Fabric on Azure. So Fabric is a kombinasi ataupun platform yang menggunakan data engineering, data warehousing dan juga untuk business intelligence. Contohnya workload seperti daripada data factory, Power BI, and so universiti ada data lake yang teramat besar, perlukan data warehouse. So Fabric ni membantu because dia akan tidak akan juga akan menarik semua data-data di dalam sekitar pihak environment pihak tentuan juga dan juga daripada different sources lah. So that's kita panggil Fabric with the Azure. So sebenarnya beberapa pihak tentuan untuk perlukan data analitik yang besar untuk membuat penilaian atau membuat untuk big data, kita boleh adakan perbincangan lebih lanjut lah menggunakan Fabric untuk Azure. So ini satu cara kita untuk menggunakan kaedah one leg, where kita akan membantu pihak universiti, pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan untuk manage and analyze your data across your all organisation. Of course kita akan take into account all the consideration into the security for all your environment definitely throughout all this process on the Fabric with the Azure lah. I think for my part that's about it. Cumanya bila kita nak membawa ataupun journey ke cloud, kita boleh membantu pihak EnfraSys, boleh bantu pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Kita ada strategi, kita akan define all the plan, kita akan make sure you all readiness on the cloud untuk landing zone. Kita akan provide the best practice. Dan you can easily adopt and migrate your all data from the on-premise to cloud. Dan of course kita ada metodologi yang sesuai dan juga how we can have a better management moving forward. So pihak EnfraSys boleh menyediakan keperluan konsultasi untuk memikir pihak tuan-tuan dan puan-puan perkiraan untuk ke cloud lah, insyaAllah. Saya akan pass floor balik kepada Encik Kamal.
Thank you Raymond and Hasri. Sharp 36 minit dan kita selalu rehearsal 3 kali dah. Sore ini Alhamdulillah 36 minit. Rehearsal 3 kali dah. Jadi Alhamdulillah. Mungkin kita boleh buka sebab kita ada masa lagi. Kita cepat ini. Ada soalan-soalan daripada pihak Mapita. Nak tanya apa-apa. Sama ada soalan-soalan general ataupun teknikal boleh tanya. Tak ada Tadi pun kita dah jawab. Satu tadi ialah mengenai isu webinar. Kita terbuka untuk mengadakan webinar kepada mana-mana universiti yang interested on any of the topics yang kita tunjuk tadi. Boleh bincang balik. Dan kalau perlu lagi lebih untuk mengadakan training, dan kita boleh bagi proposal lah untuk buat specific training on certain things. Okay. Untuk penghabisan ni saya nak jemput Sheila sebagai Education Sector Head yang baru masuk, dia baru 2 minggu di EnfraSys, bagi peluang pada dia untuk introduce herself and also to wrap up the session. Sheila, this is a surprise for her.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad, Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad, Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad. Selamat petang dan selamat sejahtera. Saya Sheila dari EnfraSys selaku Head of Education. Terima kasih Cik Kama and our team Raymond and Hasri for the presentation, dan terima kasih juga pada tuan-tuan dan puan-puan dan doktor-doktor semua, doktor-doktor dan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan semua atas perhatian dan fokus yang diberikan kepada pembentangan kami. So saya Sheila, Head of Education. So alhamdulillah hari ini kami berasa amat beruntung dapat jumpa dengan doktor-doktor dan tuan-tuan puan semua. So untuk hari ini kita seperti yang telah dimaklumkan pada awal sesi kami tadi, so kami telah memeterai satu kontrak dengan MUHI berkenaan dengan Microsoft 365. So as a wrap up, actually kami ingin menyatakan jika tuan-tuan dan puan-puan mempunyai sebarang keperluan lisens atau memerlukan sebarang teknologi yang diperlukan dalam operasi tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, so tuan-puan boleh menghubungi saya dan saya punya tim. Sorry, nervous sikit. Okay, actually dekat sini kita ada satu feedback form. So tuan-tuan dan puan-puan semua boleh scan dan dekat situ ada kita bagi some offerings dari segi training, teknologi update ataupun apa saja teknologi yang tuan-puan perlukan. So just boleh isikan maklumat supaya kami boleh follow up dan kita boleh bantu untuk tuan-tuan dan puan-puan semua. Ya. So minta kerjasama tuan-tuan dan puan-puan semua scan. Okay. So ini contact number saya dan our sales specialist Fawiza kat belakang sana. So kalau ada apa-apa boleh contact saya dan Fawiza lah. Okay. Terima kasih. Saya jumpa Cik Kama untuk the wrap up.
Terima kasih Sheila. So sekali lagi akhir kata, terima kasih saya ucapkan kepada pihak KPT, Pak Alina, pihak Mapita, Encik Nik, tuan rumah kita, Dr. Megat dan lain-lain head of IT yang saya kenal semua. Terima kasih banyak. InsyaAllah kita jumpa di lain ketika, di lain masa. Sekali lagi kalau ada apa-apa, kalau nak beli Microsoft, ingat EnfraSys. InsyaAllah. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih tim EnfraSys Solutions Sdn Bhd. Jadi sebagai penghargaan saya jemput yang berusaha Encik Nik Kamal Izzuddin bin Ibrahim untuk ke tengah pentas bagi menyampaikan cerita kepada EnfraSys Solutions Sdn Bhd. Kita minta semua tim speaker dia duduk di depan. Baik, terima kasih sekali lagi tim EnfraSys Solutions yang berhad dan Encik Nik Kamal. Seterusnya saya menjemput dan mempersilakan sesi perkongsian kita yang ketiga untuk hari ini, tim NVIDIA Corporation untuk set up.
Should I use the adapter? Do I need to use the adapter? Cannot detect. You want to bring your laptop just to try out, just in case. Mine is not showing up. The resolution. This one, betul. I can.
No, I don't have this. I need adapter. Is that good? How do you? Screen mirror. No HDMI?
Yep.
Uses a separate display. Do you have a Windows laptop? Yeah, we could try that out. Sorry, there's a technical glitch. Apple doesn't seem to be working here.
Ini licin. Mama, it's okay. You want to use it? Yeah. Just stop here. Oh, you want? You don't. Let's see. I got here. Got one thing.
This one is the DLI.
Do I use my mouse or use
Yeah,
the
yeah. Just,
center?
no, we don't have it. But I think, yeah, it's good enough. But this should also